So the next topic in today's class is data flow. So what is a data flow? Data flow is the communication can be of three forms, like it can be in a simplex form or it can be in a off duplex form, or otherwise it can be in the full duplex form. Okay, so you can send the information. The flow can be in three forms. One is simplex, off duplex and full duplex. So you have the sender here and you have the receiver. This is the sender and you have the receiver. Okay, so this is the simplex form. Direction of data. So the direction of data, it will be in one side where the sender is sending the data and receiver is receiving the data, simplex form. And what is off duplex is you have sender and you have a receiver, where the direction of data, it will be in the both the sides. You can send it, and this side also you can send the data. Okay, and what is full duplex? Full duplex is, so you can send the information in both the sides. Both sender and the receiver can send the information. So first we'll see what is simplex method. In simplex method, communication will be unidirectional. So what is unidirectional? That means only one side only it can able to send the information. So for example, the best example will be your keyboard and monitors. So keyboard is the one it can only accept the input. Monitor is the one which can only accept the output. So this is the best example for your simplex communication, where the sender can only send, receiver can only receive. So there is only one way of communication is there. So it is unidirectional. And what is off duplex method? Off duplex communication is each station, both the station can send and also it can able to receive. So this is also can send, it can also send, it can also receive. So each station can both send and receive. But what is the difference between off duplex and full duplexes? But it will not be at the same time, but not at the same time. Okay, the best example for this is walkie-talkie. So if you use a walkie-talkie, you have seen in many movies, or all policemen will be using this walkie-talkie. So what they will be doing is they can only one person can able to talk at a time. So but that both the walkie-talkies can able to send and receive, but only one at a time they can pass only one information at a time. That is your off duplex. And what is full duplex? Full duplex is both the station can transmit and receive simultaneously. Okay, so it is like a two-way street. So you have a two-way street where you have both sending is also possible, receiving is also possible. So this is the best example for this full duplex is telephone network. So in telephone network, what happens is you can also send the information and you can also receive the information. So what do you mean by data flow? So how you are going to communicate between the sender and receiver. So there are three ways of communication. One will be simplex way, other one is off duplex, and third is full duplex. In simplex method, you will be it will be in unidirectional. The example for this is keyboard and monitor. And if it is an off duplex, both the station can able to send and receive, but it will not be at the same time. The example for this is walkie-talkie. And if it is a full duplex, both the station can send and receive simultaneously. The example for this is telephone network.